I ordered a chest rig. It's kind of hard to find what works and what doesn't work. There's so many of them. So I'm really a big fan of T3 gear. They're based out of Coronado. They are veterans, former SEALs, T3 Trident. So this is their range day chest rig, and it had a couple extra features. I'll put a link to this. They sell these through Amazon. They also sell them directly on their website, but there'll be a link in the description. Also, if you guys need any of these Magpul Maguses, these come in handy with chest rigs. You know, some people complain they're a little hard to put on, but I got it on pretty easily. I guess it depends on how much force you're willing to put on, and I just found rocking it back and forth. I'll show you how I get that on at the end of the video, but any type of chest rig, it's really nice to have these assists. The other thing I ordered from T3, they have a sale on these right now. This is the ABU Tiger, and they have, I think the one complaint I have about the T3 stuff is sometimes they don't show you the back kit items that they sell, so it's hard to tell if it's a Velcro or a MOLLE item, but I would just assume everything they sell has a MOLLE backing. They don't sell a ton of Velcro stuff, but anyways, I got this. Again, this is a MOLLE back T3 USA made. This is a 3 mag carrier, 3M4 mag, and then you see here on the front here, these are for pistol mags, and they have their magnetic system for retention, which works really well. So they have a magnet here on each. You can see it sticking out. Again, this is ABU Tiger. Of course, it doesn't match my chest rig, so why would I buy something that doesn't match? Well, let me tell you, I highly doubt the guy that is shooting at us or ourselves or any other reason, you know, is going to care if our kit matches. So they had a good price on this. I'd rather, you know, save some money to buy something else. But I'd rather save a little bit of money than make everything match. Now, when I can match, I will. But anyways, this laces in up front, so you have an extra rifle mags and then 3 pistol mags. Chest rig itself, it's pretty straightforward. So it has the behind the neck carrying section, and then it has clips behind. These clips are adjustable, and they have a just a standard 1 inch. I did buy some to try to integrate this into my Faro Slickster. I wasn't able to get this to work, but that was because the clips that I got to integrate were not the correct ones. So these are just the standard, I think, 1 inch clips. And then on the sides here, there is a little bit of give with the side buckles, so that's kind of nice. And then this inside is a kangaroo style, and I wasn't expecting this. I thought it was just gonna be open. This inside kangaroo holder, they give it to you. It came with it. And in the rear, this is cool too. They give you this Velcro hook and loop mesh back. And you can see this is really nice quality. It's got a little bit of padding to it. But if you have like a Faro Slickster or any other, like the Shellback I have even has Velcro. If you have anything that has Velcro, you could just stick this on with this kangaroo style, or you can fit in here any other mag holder or a combination, whatever kangaroo style kit you have will also fit in here. Inside holder they give you is totally removable. You put this breathable mesh backing on. You can see here for the holder, just goes on. Side tabs all have a holder to take up the slack. The belly one, the adjustment is not bad. Played around with it a little bit. So here I am standing up. When you got it cinched down correctly, it's easy to get the mags out. You can always add tension pretty easily just by pulling on the string through the loops, and it's got a good adjustment. This is integratable to different plate carriers if you get the loops, so I have some of those on order. Again, link to these Magpul assist. If you guys need to order some of these, you can order through my link. Pass through for the webbing, and then a little bit of Velcro here if you want to add anything. This can be worn over, it can be worn over armor. It's fully adjustable. The shoulders are adjustable. There's MOLLE here. You can get hydration through here. All right, here's how the magazine assists come. Magpul makes good stuff. Everything that I've seen is made in the US. So you just go over the bottom of your mag, and it's a tight fit. But I found that if I get it on one side and then push down and pull with my two other fingers, I can get it over that lip, and then I just keep rocking it back and forth, this side, back and forth, and eventually it will come down, but it's a battle of inches. So I mean, the tough part is the material is made for this size, and it hangs up on underneath this lip. So it's just a matter of getting it down and over the lip. But when I was reading about these, it seemed a lot of people had complaints and trouble. I mean, it's just a matter of rocking it in and getting it down. So, I mean, I've been doing it while I'm talking on video to you. Does take a little bit of strength. I suppose you could heat them up, or you could put WD-40 or something, but anyways, you just keep pushing. You can sort of push this tab too. When you push this tab, and it creates a little bit of space there, so it lets the friction off, and that's it. It's done. So I mean, I don't know why that's so hard for people. I mean, you could close up any of the gap if you want, but that's not a big deal. So again, link in the description. If you guys need any of those, it's easy. Don't worry about getting them on, and it's so nice to have that little extra purchase. You can always push them down flat too to store them, and then when you need them, you can bring that up. So I'm just lacing this on. You can see here all of the stitching is excellent quality. They do a really fantastic job, and I've never had an issue with any of the gear that I have from them. So if you don't know MOLLE, you know, you just lace each level. So up, through, back, through, up, through, back, through, and then the bottom, you just fold this in. So this is the next level here, went up and through, and then we'll go back through this, and then fold all the way the bottom one, this tab sticking out into here. So now the last part is just to tuck it right up in here. This is super solid. And you can always tighten it up too. So we do thank all of our current subscribers. Thank you everybody for watching.